Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what NPCs need to work, enable any AI or pathfinding add-ons, and load the map checkpoint. First, open the spawn menu and choose the NPC faction and model you want to use, then place them roughly where traffic should form. Once done, add basic navigation markers or hint nodes so NPCs know where to walk. This prevents stuck behavior. Make sure to save a new map checkpoint so you can revert if an experiment fails. Now you configure behavior using the NPC spawner tool. Set the count, team, health, and aggression levels directly in the tool panel because defaults may be inert. Next, assign patrol routes and idle routines and place explicit look or aim targets so NPCs interact with the environment predictably. Test in small batches of 3-5 NPCs to observe movement and collisions, then tweak speeds and collision boxes to avoid clipping. This iterative approach saves time and stabilizes large crowds. Finish by polishing and optimizing for performance. Apply LOD where available, limit active ragdolls, and enable spawned culling so off-screen NPCs consume fewer CPU cycles. Once behaviors look right, lock or smart freeze stationary background NPCs to remove unnecessary AI updates. If an NPC becomes stuck or behaves oddly, rebake the nav mesh and reset those NPCs, then lower pathfinding complexity or reduce density. That single troubleshooting step, rebake nav mesh and reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.